Tie a garlic with thread, put it here, and watch what happens. Vaginal yeast infections are caused by Candida albicans, a yeast-type fungus that is present in the intestines and genital area. Garlic can help control Candida albicans and accelerate the healing of fungal infections. Candida albicans is found naturally in the body, especially in the intestines and in the genital area. When there is an overgrowth of this yeast in the vagina, then the infection is present. Vaginal fungi produce burning, itching, and sometimes a curd-like discharge. Fortunately, garlic can help cure the infection and prevent further infections from forming in the future. How to use garlic against vaginal fungi? In order for garlic to be effective against fungi, it must be ground to produce allicin. One of the easiest ways is to strengthen the immune system and attack the fungi from the inside. For this, you can add freshly ground garlic to sauces, stews, sautéed dishes, soups and stews. There are also unconventional ways to use garlic, but very effective. Several cloves of garlic can be crushed and wrapped in a sterile gauze used for first aid, and garlic is applied directly into the vaginal area. It is tied very well at the end so that the garlic will not come out. It is placed on the affected part, can be inserted carefully as a buffer, making sure that a part is outside so you can remove it later. The tampon should not be left in the vagina for more than 4 hours. A clove of garlic can be introduced as a suppository, but the clove of garlic should not remain inside the vagina since it does not dissolve alone, it must be removed. One possible option is to thread a garlic clove using a needle. The garlic tooth is used with the tampon like yarn. Important. With this method, there is a risk that the thread will come loose and the garlic will remain inside. In this case, you should see a doctor to take it out. Garlic should not be left inside the vagina. Contraindications. If the garlic treatment does not seem to be working after 1 to 3 days, consult with a health professional. You can prescribe remedies that bring relief quicker. Be sure to tell your doctor that you have used the garlic remedy or any other